Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to negative t. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides and we have negative dt. Next we need to change the bounds. When s equals to negative 3b from here. So I will put negative 3b going here to find the value of t, and t equals to negative 3b. So when s equals to 3b, so we put this one going here and we have t equals to negative 3b. So this one we have positive 3b. This one we have negative 3b. This one we change by negative t. This one we change by negative t. The s we change by negative dt. So negative we put outside, but we have the even power. So this one you got positive. Next, because we have the negative side, so we can swap the top and the bottom together. And now I will put this one that is about capital I. And we know that this one equals to this one. And I can put about capital I in here. So I will put I plus I in here. So this one I will put about 2 to the power of t on numerator and denominator. And this one we have about 1 plus 2 to the power of t. Next, when we change this one go back to t and s, they keep the same. Now we sum two integrals together and we have like this. Because this one that is about number 1, this one that is about 2 to the power of s, because we have two common factor in here. That's why we can create this one. And we have sine 10s to the power of 2. Next, we have the formula in here. So I will put this one going here. So I will put number 2 go outside. The integration of number 1, we have s. The integration of cosine 20x, we have 1 over 20 sine 20x, and I will put the bounds from negative 3b to positive 3b. And now we have the final answer. So I will put 3b cone here. And negative 3b cone here. So we simplify and we have 3b. We know that we have I plus I in here. So we have 2i. Later that, we divide both sides by number 2. And we change I into this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.